Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the day. Stocks closed mostly lower, with the Dow being the only index to end the day up in the green, up just over 0.1%. The Russell 2000 was the weakest major index, down over 0.8%. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 both also closed lower. Now let's look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day. To the upside, materials closed up over 1%, followed by a 1% gain in energy. To the downside, industrials, consumer discretionary, and real estate all closed down around 0.5%. Let's now look at some more stocks on the move. Bitcoin is continuing its bull run, touching another fresh all-time high, briefly crossing over 73,000. Over the last 52 weeks, Bitcoin has gained over 240%. This has also led to gains in the crypto-related stocks like Coinbase and MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy surged on the session before giving back some of its gains, closing up about 4%. MicroStrategy is now up 135% so far this year. After shedding almost $130 billion in market value on Friday, Nvidia closed the session down 2%. Some of the pressure comes from news the chip giant is facing a copyright complaint on its NeMo AI framework. This proposed case alleges the company used copyrighted books without permission, according to the class action filed in the San Francisco federal court. And Oracle reported mixed third-quarter results after the bell, beating earnings expectations but missing on revenue. The company also reported cloud revenue that was up 25%, as well as reporting it expected large contracts for cloud infrastructure as demand for its generative 2 AI infrastructure continues to exceed the supply. The stock is trading higher after hours. Let's now look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see CPI and the 10-year note auction released. For earnings, pre-market we'll hear from On Holding and Kohl's. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.